Broker clients can set customer fees from within the broker portal. Access the portal from the login button on ibkr.com and enter your credentials. To configure fees, you must use the new AM interface accessible from the green button to the lower right of the page. Locate the Fee Administration tab from the home page. Here, the broker has access to create client fee templates and configure client fees. From the Configure Client Fees button, users can view fee details associated with selected client accounts and edit fee settings. From the Fee Templates button, the user may apply an existing template to a client, create a new client fee template, and edit or delete a template. Let's start with Configuring Client Fees, the button on the left. The Client Fees menu gives brokers access to client fee schedules. Brokers can charge several types of fees to their clients, which we'll see shortly. Brokers can also submit electronic invoices for broker-calculated fees. By clicking the button, an account selector displays all your accounts. The column display may be changed by using the configuration icon to the right. Here you may choose to include customer type, account alias, account title, status, and fee template. Click Apply when done. Click any of these column headers to sort ascending and descending order. Use the search bar to narrow the selection. Use the filter icon to refine your search according to account types. Click Apply when you have made your selections. Check the box to the left of the account you wish to configure and click the Continue button at the bottom of the list. These selected accounts are displayed in the title bar at the top of the page. You can see the display is broken down into the following items: fixed pricing structure, fee per trade unit, interest rates. To edit client fees, use the pencil icon to begin configuration. The first option is to determine whether or not to use a fee template. When Yes is selected, the user can select one from the Template drop-down menu. If you wish to continue configuring for one or several specific accounts, leave the button selected to No. Next, pick a fee strategy from the drop-down menu, either fixed or tiered. When tiered pricing is selected, the client can potentially benefit from lower commissions when trading a higher volume of securities during a given month. When fixed is selected, all trades are charged at the same rate regardless of volume. In this example, I will select Fixed. From the Fee per Trade Unit section, here you can select each product that you wish to charge a fee for. The fine-tuning will follow on the next page. In this example, I will select Stocks, and to keep it simple, I will select just USD from the next screen. From the Interest Rate section, click on all currency units where you want to tailor your fees to clients on either credit or debit balances. Again, the fine-tuning will appear on the next page. Here, I will only select USD. When ready, click the Submit button at the bottom of the page. Here, you get to configure the fee per trade unit by product, which in this case is stocks under a fixed pricing plan. Notice that as I chose the fixed schedule, certain input fields are grayed out by default. You will also notice that if I enter a ticket charge in USD, the minimum input field becomes grayed out, while you may enter a maximum value. For the markup fields, you may only input an absolute or percentage markup, but not both. If you exceed the permitted maximums or omit a value, the system will display a warning message. When done, click Continue to the lower right. Next, you can set values on credit and debit balances for broker clients by currency. I previously only selected USD. You can choose whether or not to pay clients credit interest, which when checked disables both markdown input fields. You can mark up debit balances and by fixed and variable amounts. When done, click the Continue button. Now you can review the client fees you just set. When satisfied, click Continue to submit your fee schedule and OK from the Success screen to return to the dashboard. Let's choose another account and look at the tiered schedule. Click the blue Account pill at the top of the page to invoke the account selector. Choose another account to configure. Click the pencil icon to edit and select the tiered pricing structure. Make your product selections and click Continue when ready. Add ticket charge and minimum and maximum values as required, but you can also assign one level of fees associated with the volume threshold. As soon as you enter values in the first threshold, you will see that the second threshold becomes active. Enter a value in the second tier and the third threshold fields become active, and so on. When satisfied, click Continue to update the commission schedule and apply it to the client or group of clients' accounts.